When you think about artificial intelligence, you probably imagine robots, chatbots, or futuristic computers. But what if I told you one of the biggest AI revolutions is happening on farms? Farmers worldwide face huge challenges: climate change, water shortages, rising costs, pests, diseases, labor shortages, and the pressure to grow more food. AI isn't here to replace farmers, but to help them make smarter decisions. In this video, you'll see how AI is transforming farming through technology, real-world uses, and what the future could hold. Let's start with precision agriculture. Every part of a field is unique. Some areas need more water, others less fertilizer. AI analyzes data to help farmers treat crops exactly as needed, boosting efficiency and cutting waste. Drones capture quick, detailed images of vast fields. AI scans these to spot crop stress, weeds, or issues, helping farmers act fast without walking every corner. Water's precious. AI-powered irrigation uses weather forecasts, soil moisture, and crop needs to water smarter, saving water and nurturing healthy plants. AI spots pests and diseases early by analyzing plant images. That means quicker action, less crop loss, and healthier harvests. Weather shapes farming. AI reviews forecasts and historical patterns to help farmers plan ahead, preparing for rain, heat, or storms more effectively. Modern tractors and machines use automation for navigation, planting, spraying, and harvesting. But farmers still guide crucial decisions. AI aids, it doesn't replace. AI helps livestock farming too, tracking feeding, movement, and health with sensors so farmers care for animals more efficiently. Sustainability is key. AI cuts waste by optimizing water, fertilizer, and resources. That's good news for farms and the planet. Food security matters as populations grow. AI helps boost yields and cut losses, supporting a safer, more abundant food supply worldwide. But challenges remain: costs, connectivity, training, and equipment affect AI adoption. Tech must fit farms big and small to truly make an impact. Let's bust some myths. AI won't replace farmers. Farming needs your experience and judgment. Smart farming doesn't promise instant higher yields, and AI is not just for big farms. Imagine the future: drones scanning fields, sensors reporting soil, AI suggesting watering, smarter harvest planning, and less food waste. Agriculture evolved from simple tools to tractors to satellites. Now AI is the newest tool to empower farmers with smarter info and better choices. Remember, AI helps grow crops. Farmers grow food. The future depends on both. Smarter farming will feed our growing world better than ever before. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more AI tutorials, tech explainers, and future innovation guides showing how AI changes our world.